Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrew and it's lovely to have you here in South Cheshire on this glorious Tuesday. Yesterday was a public holiday here and also in the US as well, Veterans Day I believe. Back in the bathroom and it's going to be another day of pink hexagons and it's going well. Now I've seen this trick that some YouTubers do, and I don't know whether it works or not, where they click the fingers and work gets magically done. So I'm going to try it. I'd really like all this tiling to be done, but I'm not sure that's possible as I'm only a beginner. So let's give it a go and see what happens. Yeah, that didn't actually do anything. It made my camera go out of focus. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. Not trying hard enough. Okay, I'll give it another go. 3, 2, 1. Well, that worked. Well, sort of. Well, I've got some polyfilling done. How about that? Oh, cool. Well, it wasn't as much as I expected, but something happened. Right, now for the big one. Let's see if I can get this done in the same way. Where are we? There we are. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow, it worked. How about that? I like this magic. This magic is strong. Anyway, that's the end of a rather warm day, and the end of the tiling in the shower. Each panel of wall has 72 cut tiles in it, which is rather a lot for the surface area, but they're small tiles, so that's the way it goes. And yeah, it's fun. I've quite enjoyed doing it. I mean, it's been hard work, but I've enjoyed doing it. So that's that. Polyfilling over the surfaces where there's been a bit of a lump and a bump has sort of been sorted out. I don't know whether you can see it. That will get hidden. Just around the windowsill as well, and a few little bits and bobs. So tomorrow is grouting day, and the colour of the grout is almond, and it'll be really interesting to see how it changes a collection of tiles into a wall, if you follow, and it will change it completely. I have no idea how it's going to work out. Well, I mean it will, but no idea how it's going to work out in that regard. And then various little bits of skirting to do. And what I'm thinking of doing is taking that point as the top and carrying it along and round as far as is necessary, so that you sort of, there's a continuation. I think it'll work out. We'll see. It's a lot more cuts. Fortunately, yeah, there's a lot more cuts, and I'll probably do behind the unit. I need to save enough for the splashback above the sink. That is the surface. I think that's the surface of the sink. Well, the surface of the worktop to an isocast sink, and I think we're coming up to about, coming up to about there with it, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll have to see. But yeah, whew, thank goodness that's done. It's easy now, maybe. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we will pick this up again tomorrow.